Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to layer videos in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Davinci program right here on your pre-PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve. So you want to go ahead and get started creating a new project. After we have created a new project guys, now it's going to look like this, and we can get started with adding our videos that we want to layer. So here I have already added two of my videos. You can drag and drop them directly from your folder on your PC if you want, or you can just go ahead right here to file in the upper left corner. You can start to import any files that you want using the media option. So now we have our videos right here. Let's go ahead and see how you layer them. Basically guys, what we want to do is first go ahead and add one video to our timeline right here. So it's going to appear right here by adding it. And now here is our video in our timeline. Here we can see all the options we need and so on. So what we can do is go ahead and get started with adding the other videos. So here is our other video that we can go ahead and add either above our other video or under and so on. We can add it to the same timeline. So you can see now we have two videos right here, one above the other. So what we want to do if we want to layer them is just go ahead and reduce the size of one video. So here is one of our videos. We're going to go ahead and click on it and go to the inspector option in the upper right corner. Click on inspector, and now we can go ahead and select our zoom, how big the video is, where it is located, as you can see using the position right here and so on. And you can get started adding it and locating it anywhere you want on the page and layering your video. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.